The Israeli army, which I like to refer to as one of the best trained, best equipped, best fed terrorist organizations in the world. I, on the other hand, served in the Israeli army, an army of occupation, an army of oppression. And yes, they have generals and they have nice uniforms, but their entire purpose is terrorism. And just as one example, almost exactly 4 years ago, as Israel began its attack on Gaza, September the 27th, 2008, at 11:25 in the morning, what I refer to as the most shameful day in the Jewish history. Israel began carpet bombing Gaza, and on the first day of what was to be a 21-day attack, they dropped 100 tons of bombs. Okay, a 1-ton bomb will decimate an entire city block. Gaza is one of the most densely populated places in the world. 800,000 children live in Gaza. 11:25 is exactly the time when the morning school shift and the afternoon school shift change. So all the kids are in the streets. All the children are on the streets. That was the moment decided by the decision makers in Israel to begin the attack. If that's not terrorism, I don't know what is.